It is reported that Crimean partisans have claimed they mined the Kerch-Pivdena railway station, and because of it, an evacuation is announced. Traffic on the Kerch bridge has been halted, and the access to the bridge has been closed. Also, Kerch-Pivdena train station is being evacuated due to air raid alarms. Crimea and southern Ukraine is isolated. Satellite images show that the railroad bridge in Chongar, one of only 2 railroad crossings connecting Crimea to the rest of Ukraine, is severely damaged after a storm shadow strike earlier this week. And this is photo of the consequences of arrival on the Chongar railway bridge. By the way, Russians lied that the bridge is not hit. In connection with the confirmed damage to the Chongar railway bridge, I consider it appropriate to recall the importance of this connection for Russian military logistics. The railroads that Russians can use to supply the entire southern front are a connection from Armyansk towards Kherson and from Jankoy towards Melitopol. There are no other working railways. The railway connection from the direction of Donetsk to Volnovakha does not function. The railway from the Armyansk to Kherson is within the reach of HIMARS and therefore cannot be used effectively. Until now, the only railway road on which the entire southern front relied was connection between Chongar to Melitopol, but it was damaged recently, and this route is not functional yet. If it will be possible to ensure that Russians will not be able to restore this railway line, then Russian forces on the southern front would no longer be able to rely on railroad supplies. I don't even have a connection where I live. Water from the lake, we extract it from ice. There is no gas. The toilet is outside. There was no salary at all. I inserted a card into the ATM. It's 0. Then I lost my card. The mobilized Yakut Alexeyev Rustam Valerievich spoke about all the advantages of living in Russia. What a great country. And Russians, which tried to enter Georgia from a cruise ship, finally make it to shore. They got warm greetings from Georgian people. Ukrainian forces destroys another Russian self-propelled heavy mortar, 2 S-4 Tulpan. Average day in Zaporizhia.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day we get a guy. Last week it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.
Еще чуть-чуть выше можно. Во, все четко встал. Все.
Kadyrov TikTok warriors pretending to be at the front lines. What they are forgetting is the area would have black impact marks on the ground all over the place if this was the front lines. The Chechens in 1995 understood how Russians operate.
Россия никогда своих солдат не уважала, никогда своих офицеров не уважала. Это нищая страна, страна рабов, а мы не хотим быть рабами. И за это хотят нас уничтожить. Мы хотим быть свободными. Как, например, Америка в свое время добивалась свободы от Англии. Мы хотим также быть свободными и сами распоряжаться своей жизнью, своей судьбой, своей землей. И за это хотят нас уничтожить. Но это у них не получится, не пройдет.
Вы думаете, они придут еще раз?
Пускай придут. У нас нет другого пути. С миром придут, мы миром ответим. С войной придут, будем воевать. Воевать мы умеем, мы можем. Это нам дано Всевышним. Мы будем воевать за свою свободу. Более есть за что умирать.
Soldiers from the British Army worked round the clock to pack helmets destined for Ukraine.
Sergeant Church from A Company 2 Royal Anglian. Over the past 2 weeks, soldiers from the 2nd Battalion Royal Anglian Regiment have been tasked with packing 84,000 helmets here at MOD Donington. The guys have done an absolutely fantastic job. We've been aiming off for about 12,000 helmets a day. We've surpassed that number. We were given 2 weeks to carry out this task, and the guys have now done it in 8 days, right, which is no small feat. Obviously the guys have been packing the helmets, checking for serviceability and making sure that they're good to send out to Ukraine, taking off all the British military markings and anything else that may be on the helmet.
Russian Navy organized activities for young Red Army, Soviet Army soldiers in Moscow. The kids' parents seem to approve. Great parenting.
Нет, а это мы делаем не полную разборку, поэтому мы не снимаем. Вот это.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.